District Youth Affairs and Sports Thawbalgi Senthang Makhada Taekwondo amadi Wusu Masanagi Nimit Kunma 20 Chathagadaba non-residential coaching camp ngasidagi Thawbal Nongangkhong amadi Khangabokta Haudokre Thawbal Nongangkhongda non-residential Wusu coaching camp amadi Khangabokta non-residential Wusu coaching camp asi District adugi Youth Affairs and Sports Officer Thawbal Devan Moirangthem Hongdoki Hongdokpagi atamba thoramaduda District Olympic Games Thawbalgi Vice President Konsam Michael Treasurer Okram Amadi DYAS o Thawbalgi staff singsu sarukyaki coaching center hawdok paduga mari leinana warol pinaduna Devan Moirangthem na hai sanaroi singbo hena fagat hanabagi pandamda ahanbo ina masana ani asida nimit kunma thoinigi non residential coaching camp asi pangthokpani masi hana sanaduna leiraba sanaroi singbo hena mating leinaba pangthokpani masigi pandamda pangthokpani masi makatana su pangthokigani haiki
The Department of Youth Affairs and Sports na Ivira da pagi Thawbal da lady ba pagi device di branch District Youth Affairs and Sports officer ge sige officer na appoint ka conduct tawjabni ko yamna ta sunda tena pagi players in the yamna hatta mo yining ba thuna di apone hatta ta tawungam da su ya adu sige coaching camp si just 21 days loiba moni so hana sanara lebni sta kitang ko matik jabla pa habitara and CDC every year koi na ningzari si hanak na sena koi director na su yang fazana support to birekta sinsu maram ora ka polisi to ngam jabni adana situation ke sige aims and objective number 1 beginner sing aduga kitang maya mulai ba ngang sing sige yamna high performance yo ba adum badi oidre adu ora so kona hari basumba club then academy sing sila kona kitang matin pamjaba itare moina hana sanaraga sulabo to to koina amok kitang matin